Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Outlander Sport. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.